Alright, what is going on, everybody? We are back with some Silver Tempest today. We are going to see what we got in here. Got the Drago on the front. Actually caught my first one in Pokemon Go yesterday. So, added that one to the decks. So it's fitting that he happens to be our pack art. I'm knocking things over with my feet on accident, but we're going to ignore that. We got a Dedenne, a Braixen, Morpeko, Petlil, Pikachu, Growlithe, Clink, Dratini, another Morpeko, same art, but that time it's a Holo or a Reverse Holo, and the Verizon. Unfortunately, nothing big there, nothing new, but here's the code card, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.